In today's tutorial, we're going to trace using the Blob Brush. The first thing you want to do is you want to create your artboard. The artboard that I have right now is 8.5 by 11. The next thing you want to do is grab your photograph or your drawing that you'd like to use. I have my drawing on my desktop, so I'm just going to open it up and go to File, Place, and then I'm just going to fit it to my artboard here. The next step I want to do is go into my layers panel. If your layers panel is not visible, just simply go to Window and click Layers and it should pop up. Inside your layers panel, you'll see a small icon of the image that's on your artboard. So you just want to click it. Once you click it, your layers option box will pop up and you will have some descriptions here. You just want to check the box that says template and click OK. So your image should reduce to 50%. It should look grayed out like mine does. And this is the layer that we would use to trace. The next thing you want to do is go into your layers panel again, and we just want to add a new page on top of layer 1. So we're going to click that and we'll be working on layer 2. Before we go into our blob brush, we want to change our stroke color. I'm going to change mine to black. And then I'm going to select the blob brush. The blob brush is hidden underneath the paintbrush tool. So I'm going to click the blob brush. And the cool thing about the blob brush is that it creates filled paths rather than stroke paths. And as long as you use the same color, once you're done drawing, like all of your shapes will move together as one. Also, another thing about the blob brush, if you want to change the size, you can do that by double clicking on the blob brush icon and you can adjust it. The size that I'm doing is probably going to be about 8 or 10. And so you can see right here how that size will look. Once you have it to where you like it, then you click OK. So I'm using a pen tool here to trace. And I think the pen tool is pretty handy when you use the blob brush, and you can see how it adjusts itself. And that once I'm finished, all these lines will be connected here. So I'm just going to do an outline. Here. And then I'll do the beak. And we'll do this part here. Okay, so now I just have my outline for my drawing. And that is how you trace using the blob brush.